Okay, my friends, this is the last video of the final exam review. There's 3 things left. There's ORs, which we already did. There's ANDs, which we're doing now. Then at the end of class Monday and Tuesday, we're doing absolute value, which is for extra credit. I've never done extra credit on the final before. Oh my. So ORs, you solve this. We're going to divide both sides by 2. Here, divide by 6. Oh, let's change it to 18. So that would be x is greater than 3. So here's x is greater than 2. Here's x is greater than 3. Or is wherever they're shading. Wherever they're shading. So they're shading here. Bring it on down. They're shading here. Bring it down. It's already taken care of. So the answer is bigger than 2. Here, divide by -1. But hey, whenever you multiply or divide by negative, you switch the inequality. Here, multiply by 4. So here's less than -4. Here's greater than 8. So wherever they're shading for an OR, bring it on down. So there and there. So it's anywhere you see shading, that is part of the answer. Now and has to be shaded on both. Where does the shading overlap? So here I divide by 3. Here I take the opposite. Switch the inequality because I divided by negative. Here's greater than 2. Here's greater than 10. So where is there shading on both? Oops. Well, everything here. Now see, if this was an OR, this is your answer. But and it has to be shaded on both. So here is your answer, bigger than 10. Whenever it's put together like this, it has to be an and. So I'm going to get rid of the -6. So you multiply all, start over, you add 6 to all 3 terms. So 26 is less or equal to 2x, which is less or equal to 36. I want to get a 1x. So you divide everything by 2. So it's everything between and including 13 and 18. That's what this is mean. X is between 13 and 18. All the numbers between. And that's your and. So like I said, absolute value will have an extra credit question on it. I hope you have a good day. Bye-bye.